Humanity stands at a crossroads. We have built a civilization of unparalleled complexity, but we remain entirely dependent on a single planet, Earth. While our home is rich with beauty and life, it is also fragile and limited. To ensure the long-term survival of our species, expand our capabilities, and preserve Earth's environment, we must look beyond our world and take our place among the stars. Becoming a multiplanetary and interstellar species is not just a dream, it is a necessity. The risks of remaining Earthbound are immense, from natural disasters to resource depletion, while the potential benefits of space expansion are boundless. By moving industry, mining, and manufacturing beyond our planet, we can secure a sustainable future while protecting Earth as the paradise it is meant to be. Remaining confined to a single planet is an existential risk. Throughout history, mass extinctions have been common, and there is no reason to believe humanity is immune. Here are some of the key threats we face. Asteroid impacts. Large asteroids have struck Earth before, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. It is only a matter of time before another impact occurs. Supervolcanic eruptions. Events like the Yellowstone supervolcano erupting could plunge Earth into a global winter, devastating agriculture and infrastructure. Solar flares and gamma-ray bursts. A powerful solar storm could cripple modern technology, while a nearby gamma-ray burst could sterilize large portions of the planet. Nuclear war. A large-scale nuclear conflict could render much of Earth uninhabitable. Pandemics and bioweapons. Deadly viruses, whether natural or engineered, could spread rapidly and cause unprecedented devastation. Artificial intelligence and technological risks. Unchecked AI advancements or nanotechnology could present threats we do not yet fully understand. While Earth has sustained us so far, many essential resources are finite. From rare earth metals to clean water, humanity is depleting its natural capital at an alarming rate. As the global population grows, competition for land, food, and energy will intensify, leading to potential conflicts and crises. Expanding beyond Earth is not just about avoiding catastrophe, it is about unlocking untapped potential. Asteroid mining, the key to unlimited resources. Asteroids contain vast amounts of precious metals and raw materials, including iron, nickel, platinum, and even water. A single metal-rich asteroid like 16 Psyche is estimated to contain $10 quintillion worth of minerals, enough to sustain humanity's material needs for millennia. Mining asteroids would eliminate the need for destructive Earth-based mining, reducing pollution, deforestation, and habitat destruction. Space-based manufacturing and industry. Moving heavy industry into space would dramatically reduce environmental damage on Earth. Zero-gravity environments allow for new types of manufacturing, including perfect silicon wafers for electronics and advanced materials that are impossible to create in gravity. Space-based solar power could generate limitless clean energy and be beamed down to Earth, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Colonizing other planets, a safety net for humanity. Mars is the most logical first step, with vast amounts of ice for water, a thin atmosphere, and the potential for terraforming. The Moon could serve as a launch pad and testing ground for off-world colonies. Beyond Mars, moons like Europa and Titan, as well as free-floating space stations, could house future human generations. Earth is unique, a true paradise in the vast, cold void of space. If we want to preserve its beauty, biodiversity, and habitability for future generations, we must shift as much industrial activity off-world as possible. Reducing pollution and environmental damage. Fossil fuel extraction, deforestation, and heavy industry are devastating ecosystems worldwide. Moving mining and manufacturing into space would allow Earth to heal, reducing emissions and protecting wildlife. Climate change mitigation could be accelerated by shifting energy production to orbit, where the sun provides constant, uninterrupted power. Preventing resource wars. Access to near-infinite resources in space would eliminate conflicts over scarce materials. Space exploration and colonization could create new economies that expand human prosperity rather than concentrating wealth among a few nations. While space expansion is feasible, several key technologies must be further developed. Advanced propulsion systems. Nuclear, thermal, and ion propulsion. These would enable faster travel within the solar system. Antimatter and warp drives. While still theoretical, advancements in physics could one day enable interstellar travel. Space habitats and terraforming. O'Neill cylinders, rotating space stations that simulate gravity and could house millions. Terraforming Mars, using greenhouse gases to warm the planet and create a stable atmosphere. Artificial intelligence and robotics. AI-driven automation could build and maintain off-world colonies before humans even arrive. Autonomous mining robots would harvest asteroid materials efficiently and safely. NASA, ESA, and CNSA are all investing in Moon and Mars exploration. International collaboration will be key to large-scale space colonization. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab are developing reusable rockets, making space travel more affordable. Companies like Planetary Resources and Astroforge aim to commercialize asteroid mining. Staying confined to Earth is not an option for a species with limitless potential. Whether for survival, resource security, or the sheer desire to explore, humanity must expand beyond its home planet. By investing in space infrastructure, moving industry off-world, and ensuring that Earth remains a livable paradise, we can create a future where humans thrive among the stars. Our destiny is not to remain bound to one world, but to become a civilization of many worlds, ensuring our survival and prosperity for millennia to come.